Alright, so we're doing a chlorine bath here. So the main purpose again is to remove the algae. Now we have a few spots over here. These are rust stains. That's not gonna come off with the chlorine bath. The only way that's gonna come off is with acid, with doing an acid wash. Now, should you do a whole acid wash on this pool just because you have a few stains, right? And I wouldn't. If this was my pool, this plaster is in really good shape. It's fairly new. It's probably a year or two since they replastered this pool. It's in really good condition. Like it's awesome. It's a really good plaster job they did here. And I drained it because they had algae, so we're cleaning it. And okay, so now see this line, and maybe I hope you can see this line over here. I think you can see it. So that happens. You got to be careful when you're filling up your pool after they do a root plaster, because or brand new plaster, because if you stop the water when you fill up the pool, like you got to let the hose on all the time until it fills up. If you stop the water, you're gonna get a line like that. That's what happened. I've seen it worse, but that we might not see that too much with the water in it, but you definitely see the line. And you want to preserve your plaster as much as possible. I wouldn't do an acid wash every time you drain, like if you don't have to. If you have spots, you know, that need to be maybe sanded down or apply some acid to remove the stains, you can do that. But there's no point of doing a whole acid wash, because remember, when you're doing an acid wash, you're literally, it's like you're sanding down the whole pool. Like the acid is etching the surface, so it's like eating away your plaster. So you gotta be careful and not overdo it. Just do it when you need it. You know, if you have a lot of calcium buildup, a lot of discoloration, you could do it, but don't. Be careful, right? Take care of your plaster. It'll last you.